Pinatunayan ng ilang bigating artista na sina Joshua Garcia, Francine Diaz at Donnie Pangilinan na sila ay forever kapamilya. Muli kasi silang pumirma ng kontrata upang mag-renew sa Star Magic, ang talent management arm ng ABS-CBN na ginanap noong Miyerkules, October 23. Present sa event ang big bosses kabilang na si Chairman Mark Lopez, President and CEO Carlo Katigbak, COO of Root Gas Car Vitanes, Head of TV Production at Star Magic Head Lorente M. Joge, at ang Finance Head na si Rick Tan. Matapos ang pirmahan, lubos ang pasasalamat ni Joshua sa Kapamilya Network. Thank you for your 10 years of trust and for never leaving me. If not for Star Magic, I would not be here. If not their patient helping me hone my craft. Sabi niya pa. Para naman kay Francine, itinuturing niyang ikalawang tahanan ang kumpanya. I see this day as my hope, and as I always say, that kind of hope can only be found within family. And I really consider ABS-CBN as my second home, my second family. Feeling blessed naman ni Donnie Pangilinan ang major client. Every time I step in ABS-CBN, it's like I'm just right at home. I really feel the love from everyone. I'm just really happy that despite everything, we never lost hope and we continue to come up with more things that people have not seen before. Ani pa ng aktor. Inamin ng fashion icon na si Art Evangelista na nakamubo na siya mula sa naging issue nila ng dating glam team. Hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa malinaw ang dahilan pero nagkaroon ng falling out si Art sa makeup artist na si Justin Luis Soriano at hairstylist na si Jack Aguilar dahil sa chikang pangit na ugali at hindi magandang pagtrato ng fashion icon sa grupo. Bukod dito ay nabalita rin ginamit at sinagad ang credit card limit ni Hart nila Justin at Jack para sa personal nilang pangangailangan. Anyways, na naging interview siya sa programang 24 Oras, sinabi ni Hart na sinantabi na niya ang kontrobersya. I don't hate anyone because I believe in love. You know, I truly believe in love. And for me, being vulnerable, for me, being angry is because I just love very passionately and I would like to fight for everybody in my life. Sabi niya. Pag-amin pa niya, siguro ganito na lang yung kasi mababaliw ako kakaisip. Ang tatandaan ko na lang is yung mga taong minahal ko nung mga time na yun. Hindi ko isipin kung ano talaga sila or ano sila ngayon. Patuloy ng actress. Lahat pa niya, hindi ko binabasa kung anong nasasabi online, but I will try to cherish the times that I thought mahal nila ako. I have to slowly unlove people and that's painful for me. Anya pa. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.